In this video, you'll learn how to add a new employee or staff member to your Square account. Let's start by opening the Services Items section from the left sidebar. Next, expand the Scheduling menu and manage the staff area by organizing team navigation as needed. Click the Export button if you want to save your current team members list before making changes. Now fill out the new team member's profile by entering their preferred name, last name, and other important fields. Continue by providing their phone number, email, and an optional team member ID. Once you've entered all the information, click Next to continue. On the Job step, set the team member's primary job. If you need a new job title, create it and adjust its settings as needed. Then enter the job title and confirm the entry, making sure each role matches your business needs. Next, adjust jobs if necessary, select the pay type, such as salary, and enter compensation details like annual salary and weekly hours. Make sure all required fields are complete before moving on. Open the Locations section to set where this employee can work and finish by reviewing access permissions. Finally, click Done to save your new employee profile and complete the process. You've now seen how to add employees in Square. Thanks for following along!